We want to solve question number 7, which is also on second theorem. In a diagram, W, X, Y, Z are points on the circumference of a circle center O. Angle XOY equals 60 degrees, angle YWZ equals 45 degrees, and angle XYW equals 80 degrees. Calculate angle ZYW. So we first have to locate the angle ZYW that we want to find. So ZYW will be here. ZYW is this angle. So that's the angle that we want to find, ZYW. And this angle is formed inside a triangle, right? So what it means is that if we know the third angle, which is WZY, this angle, then we only sum the three angles and equate it to 180, then we find it easy. Now angle WZ, okay, WZY, all right, plus angle WXY will give us 180 degrees. Why? Because opposite cyclic quadrilateral angles are 180. They sum up to 180. So the angle here from this line to this line and that of this one, when you sum them, it will be 180 degrees. All right. So that means that if we know angle WXY, then we can easily find angle WZY. So how do we find angle WXY? It is formed inside triangle XWY. So let's use triangle XWY to find angle WXY. So from triangle XYW, we know angle WYX, okay, to be what? To be 80 degrees. 80 degrees. So we have to find angle XWY. Angle XWY. How do you find angle XWY? It is found from angle XOY, which is 60 degrees. Then angle XWY will be half of angle XOY. So this will be half of 60 degrees, and that gives us what? 30 degrees. So angle XWY is what? 30 degrees. 30 degrees. So now from there we can easily find angle X, that is angle WXY. So angle WXY, okay, will now be equal to 180 minus the sum of the two angles, which are 80 degrees and that of what? 30 degrees. So this will give us what? 180 minus 110, and we have angle WXY to be equal to 70 degrees. Now we learned that from this side WZY and WXY will sum up to 180 degrees. Therefore, so let me clean this one. Therefore, angle W, that is angle WZY will be equal to 180 minus what? Angle WXY, which we found to be 70 degrees. So this will give us what? 110 degrees. 110 degrees. Now inside triangle WZY, triangle WZY. We'll sum the three angles. So we have 45 degrees plus angle WZY plus angle ZYW. All will give us what? 180 degrees. So all will give us 180 degrees. All right. So angle ZYW will now be equal to the 180 minus the sum of the other two angles, which are 45 and then 110 degrees. Okay, so we'll have angle ZYW to be equal to 180 minus 155 degrees, and this will give us what? 25 degrees. So angle ZYW is 25 degrees. Therefore angle ZYW equals what? 25 degrees. Thank you.